The Herbal Skin Solutions Hydrating Mist with Lavender and Chamomile is a botanical-rich formula designed to deliver essential hydration, restore balance to the skin, and provide a calming sensory experience both for the skin and the nervous system. Hi, I'm Samantha Garcia. I'm a licensed esthetician based in Pembroke Pines, Florida, and in this video we're exploring how this mist can be used both in professional treatments and in daily home care to support overall skin health and client well-being. This formula is centered around Lavender Essential Oil, a powerful ingredient that targets both the skin and the olfactory system. On the skin, lavender helps calm irritation, reduce visible redness, and provide gentle antibacterial support. Through the olfactory pathway, the scent of lavender is known to promote a sense of peace and relaxation, helping to regulate the nervous system and enhance the client's experience. The mist also features a 4-part hyaluronic acid complex, providing multi-level hydration that helps plump and smooth the skin while reinforcing barrier function. This ensures lasting hydration that supports a supple, resilient complexion. Willow Bark Extract is another key component of the formula, offering gentle enzymatic exfoliation and antioxidant support. It helps encourage healthy cell renewal while calming and refining the skin, making it especially suitable for use after advanced treatments or on sensitive skin. Together, these ingredients work synergistically to deeply hydrate and strengthen the skin barrier, soothe and calm the skin post-procedure or during times of stress, support gentle exfoliation and improved skin texture, provide an immediate sensory experience that helps promote a sense of calm and well-being. The hydrating mist with lavender and chamomile can be used after cleansing to prep the skin, before applying serums, after treatments to calm and hydrate the skin, or throughout the day as needed. I often incorporate it at key points in my treatments, not only for its skin benefits, but to help center the client and create a more peaceful experience. As estheticians, we support not only skin health, but also the overall well-being of those we treat. The hydrating mist with lavender and chamomile offers a simple yet powerful way to address both, by calming the skin, replenishing hydration, and fostering a sense of peace through its carefully selected botanicals.